Questions tonight about what comes next as far as the coronavirus.
Atlanta Bureau Chief Archit Seshadri talks exclusively with the Georgia Department of Health's Public Commissioner, Dr. Kathleen Toomey, on where we're headed in the coming months.
Wear a mask. Please wear a mask.
Georgia's Public Health Commissioner, Dr. Kathleen Toomey, says she's concerned about COVID fatigue.
I'm really concerned about the parties on campus, the things off campus that are happening that, are potentially leading to community spread.
In the past 2 weeks, the state's rate of positive tests have dropped from 10 to 8%.
Our cases are going down. Our case positivity as we test is going down. Deaths are plateauing, but they're not going down yet, which actually is not surprising because we had such a high spike just a few weeks ago.
But she says despite the curve flattening, we're not out of the mix just yet.
If you remember, we had a number of high school graduation parties that made the national news.
Dr. Toomey warns against large gatherings, which have become super spreader events.
I wouldn't go to a wedding with 200 people with no social distancing and everybody milling around. I would not do that. I mean, because to me, a tragedy is if you have something like a wedding, which is such a wonderful celebration of life, and then grandma gets sick with COVID.
Georgia ranks 5th in terms of highest number of infections in the country, with nearly 300,000 people testing positive.
The more we can have communities understand that collective risk and be willing to take those preventive measures, the faster we'll see the decline in cases.
Reporting in Atlanta, Archit Seshadri, WJBF News Channel 6.
Georgia State Health Department says more than 6,000 people have died because of complications from the virus.